after when this thing went live, I sent him the link. I was like, well done, big guy, well done. Most men are being shut down, most men are being threatened. I could not believe that big giant was scared of me, thinking that I was sent, thinking that
Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, right? So hey, what is happening to Promise Makunyane, right? I guess someone might say we're feeling sorry for her, now that obviously Owami is really dragging this situationship. She's dragging it. She makes sure what, you know what, Promise Makunyane, Bona, you came for me when I was divorcing, when I left my husband. You interviewed my husband. Imagine you left here and went all the way to the Free State to interview him, and you congratulated him and you said, well done. And you were advocating for you not understanding women that leave their marriages for a husband who has cheated, or a woman must be in Bogota, a woman must hang in there, a woman must beg a zela, right? And as a country today, we are also congratulating Mr. Law to say, hey, Mr. Law, thank you so much for humbling Promise, for showing her that, you know what, just because you're not experiencing something or something hasn't happened to you, it will never happen. Or those that choose to leave their marriages because of their toxic and because their husbands, they are wrong. So you know what, Owami was right. Owami wanted to say, yes girl, you know what, you need to stay with that man. We don't need him as a country. But now it's bad because now guy is moving on, guy is posting the new girlfriend, guy is living large, and they say that a social media never forgets. Imagine all these videos of Promise Makunyane coming up now to say, do you remember this is what you said? What are you saying now? Where's your stance? Hmm? Life changes, guys. Life changes, things happen, life happens. And now life is happening to Promise Makunyane, but now it's no longer the same. And now I see a lot of women on social media coming up, like that woman who was overseas and had a bad experience with the husband and the kids, and the husband nearly offed up both of them, and Promise interviewed the husband, right? And was laughing and making jokes about the whole situation. And when asked, but why would you do that? And she was like, you know what? This is for my back, baby. This is all about money. So you making money off people's tears or people's miseries. So are we sad about what is happening to Promise Makunyane? Yes. Does she deserve it? Yes. Tell me what you think in the comment section, guys. Love you to the moon and back, and I can't wait to see you on to my next upload. Love you.